Okay, we need a profit center and we have multiple locations, and these locations will have cost centers capturing overheads for various processes on the floor. But some cost centers will not have any profit center like sales and admin. Okay, and that will be automatically assigned to dummy profit center. That is the behavior of SAP. For example, profit center Mumbai and profit center Hyderabad. We have cost and revenue element. What is cost element? It is equivalent to a GL in finance, in controlling, in costing. In controlling area, it is called, that GL is called cost element. Revenue element is the GL that captures revenues, income. Cost element is that captures expenses. Profit center 101, 102, 103, and so on. Okay. These cost elements or GLs for expenses and income are basically made in FI. How? Let me show you. Master record GL individual centrally. Okay. LAP1 or L9 P1. What was our company code? TAP1. SPRO IMG. Not IMG. SC10. TAP1. Okay. FS00. TAP1. What has happened? LAP9. Let's take LAP9 right now. Okay. So we have expenses. For example, electricity charges 40392 primary cost or revenue. Some GLs will be non-operating expense like sales and admin. These are not charged to material or costing to overheads. But some electricity like GLs like these will be charged to costing primary, that are called primary cost. Primary costs are those which are transferred from FI to CO. Secondary cost, these are purely overheads incurred during production costing, production, and these are internal to controlling area. Okay. So electricity charges is primary cost. Okay. So, but how do we interpret it in controlling? Let's see that. We make cost element of a GL when it is primary cost. So it will have a controlling side GL as well, which will be called cost element. And the category is 1. There are different categories. We will discuss each of these one by one. Okay. Primary, revenues, sales deduction, external settlement, and there are others as well. Okay. Field status group will be discussed later on as well. So that's how you make a transparent mirror copy of a GL in controlling. But if we talk about secondary cost, we have promo expenses. If you go to promo expenses, it says secondary cost. Secondary cost. Okay. Promo expenses, controlling data. Over here, we have internal settlement as cost element category. It has nothing to do with FI. Okay. That's how you make GLs. So these are primary coming from FI. This is the cost element salaries. This profit center has generated and paid this much salary, this much, this much, this much. And cost element wise, total of salaries is this, total of rents is this. Okay. Now, cost center wise, total is this, for this is. In total, we have two profit centers, 1000, 2000, and their total is this. So, grand total is of both profit center is 279. Sales, revenue. Now, revenue has been booked at profit center, at this profit center, and total is this. Profit center wise profitability is single, and this one, and total is 63,000. So, primary cost element used to transfer data from FI to CO. Secondary it is transferring data within CO. So, like salary in FI, it can be transferred to CO with cost element called salary. We have already seen that. And secondary cost element, it is allocations that we see here. Internal settlement. So it's allocations from one CO object to other, like cost center to cost center. This can be cost center for capturing overheads or expenses or salaries or charges, and it transfers to production cost center to absorb it in the production cost. Okay, that's how we do it. So let's go back and see OBC 4. Okay. LA 11, LA 9 FS, copy as T1 FS, tab 1, it already exists. Okay. T1, select field status group. OBC 4. T1, field status group. Okay. Over here, G02, we say cost accounts which require cost center as required. I double click it, additional account assignment, and we have cost center as required entry. So whenever a GL has this field, so if we go and make an entry in group in that FI GL account, we will have to mention cost center. For example, FS00. Electricity charges, create bank interest, G02 cost and cost accounts, cost center is required. Okay. Okay, now let's create an account 100 TAP1. Balance sheet account, liability, retained earnings account, control data, sort key 001, AED, G001. Post automatically because some accounts have manual entries, but some accounts automatically calculate and receive amounts without manual entries. That can be for tax calculation, that can be for deduction calculation or commission calculation. Those accounts automatically capture amounts, transactions. Save. Since retained earnings account is an year-end, month-end activity account, we need it. Okay, TAP1. Okay, Tango Alpha Group. Okay, new account 400, 500. Okay, this will be primary cost, expenses, salary, salary, control data, AD, sort key 001. Cost element category will be 1, which is primary. Okay, field status group will be G002, which is cost center required. Save. Okay, salary 400, 500. Okay, salary, copy 400, 600, TAP1, rent, rent. Save, TAP1. Salary, rent. Liability, retained earning. Okay, clear? Okay, now create 200, 691, TAP1, continue. Balance sheet account, assets, cash account, control data, balances in local currency only. Local currency is AED. G001, bank interest, G001, relevant to cash flow, save. Okay, okay. Coming back, So this is clear. Now we have salaries and rent. We make a sales account, but later on cash account. Okay. Now we will see this. Okay. Now we will also create okay. Profit center. We will have cost center 101, 102 for plant, LAP1, LAP2. But we have profit center separate for a separate plant 301, 302, 303. And we will have material LP, LAP, FG1, FG3 for 102 and 101, LAP1, LAP3. Okay. Clear? Okay. Controlling, cost center accounting, master data, standard hierarchy of yon, standard hierarchy is already made. But for which controlling media? Okay, okay. S TAP, okay. Okay, standard hierarchy. TAP, TAP1. Right now we don't have any cost centers. So we will go and create cost centers. Save. Cost center, individual processing, KS01. Create. Okay. 100101 2023 master data. Okay. Body shop. Body shop. Gym. Cost center category. We will have different 7 to 8 categories. Let's say it's for service cost center. Hierarchy area is only one. Standard hierarchy company code is TFU1 P001. We've already made that, okay? Control. We will not log this. It will record quantity also. Okay. Save. It will give a warning message, but no warning message. Okay. Now, 1002 with reference to 1001 TAP master data and assembling. Okay. 103, 102, paint shop, paint shops. In this, we will not give any profit center. So any empty profit center will mean it will be covered and supervised by dummy profit center. That's why we make a dummy profit center. Okay. Now, okay, profit center accounting. No, let's first go for SPRO, reference IMG. Controlling, profit center accounting, assignment of account assignment objects to profit centers, check assignments, cost centers, display without profit center, execute. Execute. We have two assigned to P01 and one no profit assigned upside. Okay. Case 01, 201, processing, save. Okay. Next, center accounting, master data, cost center group, case H1. Okay, groups basically help us in distributing overheads. Okay. Cost center group, prod, which is production, enter, production, cost, lower level, 1001, oh no. I have to delete this. Select, delete. Okay. One zero zero one, 1002, and 2001. Okay, it's already made. That's why it has picked up the names. Cost element accounting, master data, KH1 cost element, group, create, admin, admin cost, cost element. Over here, add 591, no valid master account.